if you want to see me transform these absolutely disgusting Volkswagen Transporter wheels of mine, then I'm going to use some of my favourite products to get the wheel clean. So if this is something of interest to you, then let's get into it, let's get it done. I'm going to start by applying the Chemi VB pre-wash. Get into the arches first, so it's the dirtiest area of the car so it can dwell. Then round the tyres, nice liberal amount. Then over the wheel faces, hopefully getting through to the barrels. Allow that to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes, but don't let it dry. And then let's get it rinsed off. So, built hammer auto wheel, we get that on first, so that can get dwelling over the wheel face and through the barrels. Absolutely stinks, but it's a fantastic product. I don't know if there's any other product that I know that's got as much, thioglycolic acid in as this, because the way it stinks is unreal. Anyway, nice liberal layer of that, and I'm going to go on with on the tyres. Here we go, Car Pro Retire. Absolutely brilliant. But you do get for a bit, this foaming trigger. This stuff is phenomenal. Yeah, dodgy trigger. While the auto wheels dwell in, let's give that tyre a decent scrub. I get asked a lot about the rim mats. Why do you use them? You can just use a bit of wood. So you could do, but I've never seen anybody yet use a bit of wood. And this is why I use them. That brush is a large XL detail factory. I can now clean the wheel fully. Clean the tyre, the face, fully, all the way around. And get into that awkward bit that's always missed. And don't tell me that you always roll the vehicle forwards and backwards. You forget, everybody forgets. I did until I had these. Now, I ain't got to worry about it. So that's that. Rinse my brush off, and let's get this wheel rinsed and tyre rinsed. That purple that you see rinsing away, that's telling us that the product has worked. You can probably hit it a second time, but these are ceramic coated, so I don't need to hit it a second time. So let's get my favourite wheel cleaners on a choice. My favourite of mine, Adams Wheel and Tyre Cleaner. Foamed up lovely, nice trigger. Get this on the wheel and the tyre. Some in the arches. Allow that as well. We'll apply a nice layer of snow foam over the top. This just adds lubricity for your brushwork. Back on the tyres. That foam is now white, showing me that they are now clean. Into the arches. My Go brush won't fit, so I'll have to use my barrel brush from EZ. But the vehicle's been lowered 50 mil, and I'm struggling to get other brushes in there. Rinse your brush. Go back in to collect the suds. Detail factory again, and no, I'm not sponsored by them. Start by the dust cap, so you know where you can start and finish. These are awkward wheels to clean, but they are gorgeous. These are the Navis Lux Anthracite wheels. If anybody's interested. Navis do some awesome wheels, all especially, you know, around the Volkswagen Transporter scene, and obviously now the Ford Transit. So go and check them out. I'll try and link them in the section below. Go and check out my other videos. And if you've got any questions or any other ideas or videos that you'd like me to create for you, feel free, let me know. I'd be keen to try and help you out if I can by making that video for you. Unless it's interiors or doing deep cleans or drying. Can't stand drying vehicles. Let me bring you in a bit closer. Let's get them lug nuts cleaned. And then these little awkward bits with a nice detail sash brush. This is just a bit firmer than a soft brush, but nice enough and safe enough. Now I'm going to do the calipers. Got Brembo pads in here. They're really good at stopping the van, even though the brake's not big enough. I'm looking to upgrade the brakes very soon, actually, this year. Though they stop the van, they do emit a lot of brake dust, as you can see by the wheel at the start. A nice purple, or Cadbury's purple caliper that we've had done. Well, I did get these barrels done. Go back for another dip, rinse, and more suds. You're not trying to save the water you've made up in the bucket, so use it, in my opinion. While you're in there, make sure you can get the caliper also to the bit you can't reach with a brush. There we go. Now in with a wash mitt. This is the microfiber wash mitt. This is where you can now get behind the spokes and into the areas that the brush won't actually get to or miss. Any of you eagle-eyed viewers out there, you might have seen that I this time I did the face first before the barrels, only because the product I was using this time on the pre-wash I knew was, and the way that I did that pre-wash, I knew that I'd rinse most of it off, so I wasn't worried about pulling anything through and then rubbing it into the face and doing it the other way around. But yeah, normally I do the barrels first. Let me know in the comments, which way do you go first? Do you do the barrels first or the face first? That is a nice, safe, wheel clean, well arch clean, on our Transporter. So let's get that rinsed. Let's add a bit of protection. And I said it's my favourite, so ADBL rim protector. It's the best wheel sealant I've used for a spray and rinse to date, so can't rate this highly enough. Apply, allow it to dwell for 10-20 seconds, and then give it a nice rinse. Let me bring you in closer so you can see the water behaviour. And there you go, that's the wheels, decontaminated, fully cleaned and protected. Any questions, feel free, let me know and drop in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. See you on the next one. If you want to know how clean they are, squeaky clean.